Hello, dynamic young people. Have you ever found yourselves at the end of the month when your wallet's feeling a bit light and your close friends are suggesting a proper, satisfying meal out? If so, then Korean vegetable and seafood hot pot at student-friendly prices is surely the lifesaver you're looking for. So why does this dish have such a powerful appeal to us young folks? Let's dive in and find out. First and foremost, we absolutely have to talk about the super affordable price. For students on a limited budget, finding a meal that's delicious, filling, and easy on the pocket is always top priority. Korean hot pot places that cater to this style often offer set menus or all-you-can-eat buffets at incredibly reasonable prices, allowing us to eat to our heart's content without worrying too much about our finances. Secondly, hot pot is the ultimate dish for sharing and bonding. What could be better than gathering with your best buddies around a steaming hot pot, picking out food, having lively conversations, and sharing life's ups and downs? The cozy, intimate atmosphere of these hot pot restaurants is the perfect catalyst for even more meaningful get-togethers. Third, it's all about the distinctive flavors and incredible variety. Whether it's the spicy kick of kimchi broth, the rich depth of gochujang, or the light sweetness from seaweed, Korean hot pot broths each have their own unique charm that tantalizes the taste buds. Add to that a heavenly spread of fresh green vegetables like various mushrooms, napa cabbage, water spinach, sweet corn, along with seafood like shrimp, squid, clams, octopus. There's a wide array to choose from. This combination isn't just delicious, it also feels healthier and more balanced compared to many other dining options. Fourth, this is a truly hands-on culinary experience. You get to personally select your favorite toppings, dip each piece of vegetable, each shrimp into the bubbling hot pot yourself, and then concoct your own legendary dipping sauce perfectly suited to your taste. That feeling of crafting your own meal is so much fun and incredibly satisfying, isn't it? Finally, we can't deny the significant influence of Korean culture. From movies and music to cuisine, the Hallyu wave has subtly crept in and captured the hearts of countless young people. Enjoying an authentic Korean hot pot is also a way for you to feel closer to the culture you admire. In a nutshell, Korean vegetable and seafood hot pot at student-friendly prices isn't just a meal. It's the perfect fusion of enticing flavors, affordable pricing, an ideal social setting, and a fun, liberating dining experience. It ticks almost all the golden criteria for young people when choosing a place to eat. It's no wonder that whenever the question, where can we get something tasty, nutritious, and affordable, Korean hot pot is always a top contender. Thank you for listening.